Watch as we restore this classic piece to its former glory. Over time, even the most well-crafted coffee grinders can lose their shine. But today, we're bringing this Omcon 43681 Teal cast iron and Beechwood manual coffee grinder back to life. If you're a coffee lover who enjoys the perfect grind, then this might be the coffee grinder for you. Designed and crafted in Italy and is made from seasoned beechwood and durable cast iron, giving it both a rustic charm and sturdy design. At the heart of this grinder is a precision-engineered conical grinding mechanism by Trey Spade. Made from specially tempered steel, this allows for precise grind adjustments, whether you prefer coarse, medium, or fine coffee grounds. Unlike modern electric grinders, this one features a flywheel operation, making the grinding process smooth and effortless while giving you that satisfying, hands-on experience. With a hopper capacity of 100 grams, you can grind enough coffee beans for multiple servings. And now, look at the mesmerizing before and after. From old and worn out to fully restored and ready to grind, this classic piece has been brought back to life. What coffee machine have you tried so far? Let us know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.